Can you show me your hands? Show them to me. Look how clean Baker is. All clean, all messy.
I'm clean and all messy.
How are we going to clean your hands?
There's some stuff missing.
Are you going to lick them off?
One, two.
Are you going to lick them off?
Down table. Don't rub it on table. Ugh. I don't want yours. Yours is all nasty.